I am a filmmaker. For decades, I've framed wildlife, landscapes, and people. But sometimes the most gripping drama doesn't unfold in the wild. It rises in a pan. Today, we capture Kaiserschmarrn, Austria's sweet, chaotic masterpiece. First, the cast is assembled. Eggs, flour, sugar, vanilla, milk, and raisins. Ordinary ingredients, everyday faces. But when the camera rolls, even the simple can become unforgettable. Next, yolks fall like gold into the bowl. Smooth, confident, no second takes required. Meanwhile, vanilla steps in. Small seeds, huge presence. Then sugar drifts down. Sweetness, balance, and the promise of caramel to come. Now the whisk takes over, pulling it all together. Gentle rhythm builds strength. Rush it, and you lose the flow. Off to the side, raisins sink into rum, soaking up courage. Not garnish, but transformation. When they return, they'll be bold, full of flavor, and ready to shine. Moments later, milk softens the mix, binding everything into harmony. The dough now begins to feel complete. At the same time, egg whites rise to stiff peaks. This is the lift that makes Kaiserschmarrn float. Soon, butter slips in softly. Not the star, but the richness behind every bite. From here, patience is the secret. Folding takes care. Cut, sweep, lift. Too rough, and the air vanishes. Gentle work now means lightness later. And then, butter hits the pan. That's the cue to begin. The batter follows, thick and golden. This isn't a pancake. This is the start of Kaiserschmarrn, rich and confident. Now the raisins return, rum-soaked and bold, weaving character into the sweetness. A lid lifts, suspense resolved. It's set and ready for the next act. Then comes the big move, quartered and flipped with force. Rustic, unapologetic. Kaiserschmarrn doesn't play delicate. Over the top, sugar scatters like snowfall. It melts, caramelizes, and creates the golden crust every piece deserves. Now the break. Kaiserschmarrn is torn into pieces by design, not by mistake. More edges, more caramel, more flavor in every bite. Chaos becomes beauty. Finally, the crown. A veil of sugar with plum compote or applesauce at its side. Sweet meets tart, soft meets sharp. The balance is restored. Look at it now. Fluffy shreds piled high, caramel edges glistening, powdered sugar drifting down. Kaiserschmarrn doesn't pose. It performs, demanding every angle. I'm a filmmaker. I've chased light across mountains and storms across oceans. Yet here in the kitchen, even a shredded pancake can hold the same drama. Kaiserschmarrn shows how chaos turns into beauty. So join me, and together we'll uncover more moments where cooking becomes cinema.